As we see the stock market tumble due to fears of the coronavirus, among other things, we see millions of investors sell off their shares of stock in panic. So in this video, I'm going to outline 7 important things you should never do when the stock market goes down. Number 1, do not sell your stocks. If you currently have any investments, don't sell your stocks in any company. During a market downturn, it might be tempting to pull out and hoard cash, but that's the worst thing you can do during this period when stocks are down. Everyone will tell you to sell, sell, sell. What you need to do is hold, 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 and if you have any cash, buy, buy, buy. When everyone is looking back, look forward. Number 2, do not hoard all your cash. If you have any cash, right now is the perfect time to buy stocks. While everyone is selling their shares, you jump in and start buying. Because stocks are cheap. Eventually, they'll return to normal and you'll be the one who looks like a genius. Besides, keeping your cash under your mattress or in your bank account is a bad idea. That's an opportunity cost you'll regret 5, 10, 20 years from now. Number 3, do not buy all at once. The stock market doesn't just drop all in one day. If that were the case, so many more people would be able to time the market. But it doesn't. A spiral can be a long spiral that lasts weeks, months, and sometimes years if it's really that bad. Buying everything all in one day can put you at risk of the stock market falling further. Be sure though that you will never be able to time the market perfectly. Number 4, do not look at the markets every second. Staring at CNBC or your portfolio all day is just going to drive you nuts. Television thrives on panic and drama, and when the stock market is rumbling downward, they're going to exaggerate every single thing. Plus, it's going to be reinforced because you can literally see your savings going down the drain. Just let it pass. There's more important things you can do with your time, and if you can't single-handedly change the stock market's direction, don't worry about it. Number 5, find the underlying cause of the stock market drop and buy. Right now, it's the coronavirus, and that's really hurting airline companies, cruise ships, and many travel-centric companies. Plus, there's the oil crisis and Fed rates dropping. All these factors contribute to the spiral. So what do you do now? You buy these distressed companies. Did the airlines cause the coronavirus? Of course not. Someday this pandemic will pass and airlines will recover. That's when your patience will pay off. Number 6, keep your schedule the same. If you manage your own money and do the buying and selling yourself, you need to keep things as if nothing had happened. If you put in money every week, every month, every quarter, keep up with your schedule. Right now, you're buying at an opportune time, and it's not every day when things look cheap. Finally, number 7, be optimistic about the future. While everyone is panicking about the end of the world, 2 things will happen. Either they're wrong and things will recover. In that case, you'll profit mightily by being a long-term optimist. The other case is that they're right and the world is indeed ending. In that case, there's nothing you can really do about it. What I'm saying is that it's better to be an optimist because the world, in all likelihood, isn't going to end, at least in your lifetime. Don't panic and follow the vast majority of investors. Investing doesn't take great intelligence. Investing is an exercise in discipline and having an even temperament. As long as you think logically, you'll do fine in the long run.